Okay, parted around too much, so this will be a quickie. Um, yeah, so I'm really trying to see examples. Count. So you get the directory, we'll have this crap. Um, count. That's what it looks like. Yeah. So I guess they add extra link here. Rel next. I don't I don't like this. Yeah. I prefer this index and next to be like over here somewhere. Like it should be valid to just go linked hyphen next or something. And don't capitalize it. Order objects have a bunch of stuff in it. Certificate is just a link. So challenges. I guess that's what I really need to be looking at. What is this? Status changes. Before sending a push request to the server, a client needs to have a fresh. Oh. Previous request. Oh my god. Why? Why is it a head request? I mean, why not? Uh, like, why is the nonce just not the response? It's because they'd have to annoyingly wrap it in JSON. Although I guess what the replay nonce is just always in the responses. Oh, yeah. Uh, yeah. Why is this? Why? Why even bother with this head thing? Like, it's totally unnecessary. So protected payload. Yeah. Well, this is annoying and yeah. So I'm going to have some sort of key stored. I can't remember when I did this last, but I guess this account will have to be created beforehand. Can I need to encapsulate into this to something that doesn't suck. Because for my case, I don't want a separate account for everything. So that's going to have to be a config, I guess. Oh my god. Yeah. And you could couple a certificate service with a send mail service that goes with basically an entire, like, there's got to be something for that already. I don't know. Whatever. Let's not get sidetracked. Wait. Can I? Send a post as get this stupid shit again. I just find it mind-boggling, like why does it need to be specified? Whatever. So right away, this is annoying, but it probably is not that bad actually, since I've already done the AWS request. It's kind of similar. It's mildly annoying that you gotta wait. Why does this say? Is that because that's encoded that way? Whatever. It's similar thing. You put shit in there in the right order and then you sign the thing. Which I think this is less bad because I think you're only signing I guess you gotta have a valid nonce. Oh, yeah. So it's the signed URL right there. So it's basically the same thing as the AWS request. but slightly different. Conceptually the same. Yeah. So you're gonna have to pass this in, I'm thinking. Okay, whatever. Responding to challenges. Is that the response? Do you request which? So yeah, you're. Okay. So you do something. You tell it you want to do the challenge, and so that's the thing, and it's just sending nothing. Okay, here we go. Well, that's fucking annoying. Well, shit. I was right. Man, that is super fucking annoying. I mean, I kind of feel like this is sort of shitty. Like, must be completed. I mean, why require it? Frack. I can't believe that's true. So there's no. Let's see how they do. See, this should be the default. And then there should be a button that says, do you want a bunch of information you didn't ask for? And then it tells you the information you didn't ask for that may or may not be. Like, I don't need this. But because replying with stuff still means like, oh, I need to read this to figure out if it's relevant or not. Hmm. What? Oh. Oh. Well, that's still annoying, but it was already going to be a problem to solve. Okay. So that just saved the day. Is this um the word redirect? This is the one, wasn't it? Oh no, this is the wrong file. Nope. Oh man, how many of these did I open? This all seems a little weird. Like, I mean, you really couldn't like just create the CSR and then sign that request with with your account. I mean, do the account thing, but sign it with your account and send it in, and it's got the host name as part of the frickin' request, obviously. So why is all this other shit necessary? And then it just returns this. Submit the thing. It does the checks. Oh, it seems kind of pointless back and forth. Where did the redirect thing go? Okay, so that's a bummer. Um, oh no, wait, that's okay. Well, I don't know. I didn't look at that close enough, but so it looks like this port 80 problem's gonna have to be solved sooner rather than later. Can't be an open redirector though. Or can it? I mean, you're just gonna tell it to redirect to the HTTPS of whatever they requested. But what if the host is not the host you were looking for? Does that matter? Hold on a stop. Oh, well, there you go. Guess I just missed it. Let's hear it for the Gemini. Hmm. Oh, yeah. We're not doing that. We're like, hmm. Did I have to implement this before? I mean, I did some. There's some JSON stuff. And. Jeez. No. Yeah, I mean, what the. Oh, God. Look at all this stupid shit. So it's just some stuff that doesn't matter. I thought where is, I thought that was a JSON parser. Must be in that other project that I didn't get to. The super portal that I attempted. Or just haven't gotten back to it yet. Oh, maybe it actually is in here. Oh yeah, it is. But no, it's not. I feel like I had to do it in here. Yeah. Oh, wait. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So, that's some just a bunch of code there that I think we're going to commit now. Actual JSON parsing. Oh. Oh God, what now? Oh no. God, I hate getting into this shit. What? You got divergent. You need to specify sometime before your next pull. I mean, I'm usually on the rebase front. Although also, I think this, oops. Ew. What are you doing? Oh, I don't think there's any actual, yeah. I always forget how to do this. Is it something like this? I don't know. I don't care that much, I guess. Oh no. So we should be able to do this now. I'm assuming this thing will build. Oh. It will not. Because of this. It is because you now need to annoyingly have this in there. I think. Holy cow, we've gotten off track. Nope, that is not what goes there. I'm gonna figure that out later. Let's do the big update, because I don't think... So now... Oh. Wait, why is it all commented out? I think it's because it's this. Yeah, well, just run past that. So, Yeah, I'm gonna have to parse the responses because I'll need to get the view blob. What the? Oh. Yeah, I don't know. Whatever. That does the parsing. I'm not sure how I got off on that. I guess I was thinking about this from something else in the past where I had to do it. I mean, come on, people. Look how long this is. Like, oh, at least a good portion of this looks like it's appendix. So that's a bunch of stuff. And base 64. I think that's in openssl actually. Does I think I've been down this path before though of like the documentation question. No. I don't. I don't know. The internet's still working, isn't it? So openssl.org, they're just done now, or what is going on here? No, that's weird. So if you just go to openssl, is this actually the thing? Wait, so like that just doesn't. No, wait. Why are so many of these things not working? Was something happening there? There's a conference still? Yeah, I've been here before when I was trying to do that other thing. What was that? Well, okay. Um, 3 years ago. Why? What? I mean, I guess this is useful. Oh, it's the AWS stuff. Yeah, it's in the S3 thing. God, this was annoying. Where's the actual sign? So we got this wrapper to get that, which I guess, what are we doing here? I'm just like, past Jason has been lazy. We have HMAC. What the fuck? Where is that coming from? Wait. Yeah, because I mean, this is... oh. Guess that explains why. Okay, I don't... yeah. So this, I don't know. Might not be that bad. We'll be able to do stuff like this, I think. For the stuff that we care about. Oh, I had to deal with JWS when you do like OpenID server, auth server. That's what I was thinking of. Whatever, that's not useful. Alright, that's all for today. Oh, I don't need this currently open, I guess. So, what is this? What? I don't, oh, here. Why? I mean, I guess I'm looking this up out of the database, but I don't think I want to do that anymore. Mostly because this doesn't need to be there at all. And these could just be pulled in and defaulted within the web foo. Right. God, I hope we get to write code tomorrow. So, because what I'm thinking is, you can do all that, and then when you get into here, it does the forking and all the handling and doesn't return. listen. So like, this would be the point where I would think you set up the private, public-private keys and stuff. Yeah, because you listen there and then calls accept in the worker. Oh my God, just yeah, it just accepts until infinity. What are you doing? So, the question that I'll have to get to, I guess, is so it calls accept, and that gets a socket, and then I'd have to call some sort of um, SSL stuff on there, right? Because this currently doesn't do anything before that. Alright, maybe we can get there tomorrow. I guess what I'm gonna do is let's just put our failing note. Try getting SSL. Yeah, I think that's first. Because even if you didn't bailed on the acme stuff, which I'm not gonna do, I mean, you can start using this before you get to that. Also need to look at that assumes each server has the account private key. That's annoying. That's a different thing there. Why are we not using ingress? I guess I should write stuff down more. Yeah, let's get out of super portal over here. Whoops. Well, whatever. These are the problems for tomorrow.